The debate over the legalization of marijuana has been ongoing for at least the last decade in many parts of the world, with little or no concern over the science behind the plant itself. We know that cannabis has been used in medicine since 100 AD, but as aspirins and opioids rose to power, weed use declined and was officially criminalized in 1937 against the advice of the American Medical Association. The real question is, what happens when we smoke weed? Marijuana plants introduce chemical compounds called cannabinoids. Two of the most interesting cannabinoids are delta-9 tetrahydrocannabinol, or THC for short, and cannabidiol, or CBD for short. THC is responsible for an increase in dopamine levels, which effects can range from a simple high feeling to a sense of euphoria, along with a hypersensitivity to sound. CBD, on the other hand, does not have psychoactive effects. Rather, it reduces pain and muscle spasticity, making you more relaxed. However, we shouldn't jump to the conclusion that THC is bad and CBD is good. In fact, the two compounds interact with each other, and scientists are still figuring out the perfect balance between the two. But how does the cannabinoids interact with our brain? Our brain is made of billions of neurons distant from each other. The connection between two neurons is made by chemicals called neurotransmitters that travel between two neurons, attaching onto molecules called receptors. Whenever we experience pain, fear, or stress, our body releases a special type of neurotransmitters called endocannabinoids, which go to our endocannabinoid system and help get rid of those unwanted sensations. Since the cannabinoids in marijuana are similar to the kind our body makes, they are able to latch to the cannabinoids receptors in our brain. The short-term effects, yet being highly individual, range from anxiety to euphoria depending on the ratio between THC and CBD. Recent studies, however, found that heavy cannabis users, in the long run, had smaller hippocampus and amygdala volumes, which are the parts of the brain that control memory and decision-making respectively. It is worth noting that these long-term effects were found on heavy cannabis users, and the effects seem to be highly dependent on the age at which you start using. Those who start at a younger age tend to have more negative effects later in life. Would you like to see your topic discussed on a future video? Just write it down on the comment section and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting content.